here?
Big Tonka! Big Tonka's the best. Let's find treasure, Daddy.
Treasure! Where could they be?
That means that she can put it on the ground.
Is something in there? I think somebody tricked me. Where are they?
Let's go put on my bed.
You gonna dump it?
Big Tonka's the best. It's dumping things.
He is the best. Big Tonka dumpy truck. He's gonna go pick up the sandbag. All right, how about you go around the side of the house, and then I'm gonna go through the house. Make sure you bring Big Tonka with us. Go! Whoa, you hurt your hand? Let me see. You don't have to go super fast, okay? You just meet me at the door. Oh, hi! What do we have here?
Big Tonka!
Go ahead, drive him inside. Time to load up Big Tonka.
Okay. And
Grab that side. I grab this side. I'm gonna lift this up and up. Tonka. Oh, he's a strong guy. Coming. You gonna dump it? Can you dump it, strong boy? Use your super gecko muscles. Super gecko muscles! Whoa! Whoa! We did it! Give me a high five. Yeah! Oh, pokey five. Pokey, pokey, pokey. Pokey, 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 pokey. Ah! Ah! Alright. Alright, you ready for the downpour of the sand? You gonna help me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. A lot of extra sand we got there. Oh.
I need to flex it back. Let's find treasure, Daddy. Must be somewhere.
Look at all of this treasure we got here. You can turn around and count all the way to 10.
10, 6,
What? I don't know what it is. Where could it be? What's that? Put them up here. 1 penny. A dime.
Where did the other one?
I think there might be lots more. Maybe they're all in the same place. Maybe they're all over here. Oh, where did our treasure go?
Not somewhere.
Maybe Logan scooped it up and it's in a trash pile over here.
And this.
Oh, look at guys. What's happening here? Oh, look at that. Is there more? Treasures.
More pennies somewhere. So many.
I think maybe they got scooped up over here. Look for some more treasure.
I cooped them up with my bucket.
Oh. Right here in that pile. Is something in there? Yeah. More treasure.
We put them in for now.
Okay, we'll put all our treasures in that cup. Any more over here?
Any more?
I don't know. I think so. I think we found them all.
No, there's only one boy.
Now Daddy's gonna turn around and count to 10, and then you go to hide them, okay? You're gonna hide the treasure.
Alright, you ready? Let's count. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come.
Where could they be?
Wait,
I don't know.
they might be on the ground.
Maybe they're on here. Maybe. Looks like we hit the bottom of the sandbox with nothing. I think somebody tricked me. I think somebody tricked me. Who tricked me?
It was somebody.
Somebody.
Somebody was there.
Where might they be? It's in a secret place.
That
Alright, I'm gonna find them. Where are they? He doesn't know where they are.
is somewhere.
Somewhere special?
Maybe it's over there.
What? Over here, closer to me?
I found one.
Where are the rest of them? I need to find them, right? That's part of the game. Okay, maybe they're over here.
Doing the
Oh, it's just a rock. Treasure rock.
no, that is not treasure.
Oh. Found one? Maybe you could show me where they are.
That is the secret place on the ground.
Where's the secret place?
It's somewhere special with dots. With dots of treasure.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Over here. This other side of the sandbox. I'm gonna find all that treasure.
Find them, Daddy.
Where did you put them? Where did you hide
Where is them in there?
That's something.
What?
Maybe they're over here. Okay.
Treasure.
I didn't dig over here. Oh, look, a treasure. Oh, I uncovered something.
Uncover something?
Right there.
Money.
There.
And more money.
Yeah. There's another one.
Another one.
There's another one. Found the treasure.
Count again, I go hard super fast.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come.
Let's see. He's buried in the sand somewhere.
Where is it?
Maybe.
In there.
There's no sand.
No.
No.
Go in there and find
In here?
nothing.
What about that pile there?
That pile.
What about that one there?
That one.
I want to try that one.
That one.
I want to try that one.
Try that one and a little bit wide.
Why is he running away? Why is he running away? Dumpy truck trying to steal the treasure? Is there treasure in there? There's the treasure. Let me see your hand. Ah, we buried it in here. The whole time it was in here. Oh, you silly boy. Ah. What's he doing? He's stuck there. Wait. He's floating. Oh. What happened?
I don't know.
What happened?
Treasure on him. Maybe treasure on him.
Maybe. I don't know. Where's his treasure going? I don't see anything. Hey, look. Right, yeah. Treasure.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Treasure toes. So much sand everywhere. You're hiding all the sand. Hey Logan, what you doing?
Dig a hole so I can make it then gone.
What are we gonna put in that hole?
Thank
Something maybe like Logan?
They will probably have Daddy with
Alright, you ready? What are we gonna do?
me.
Bury you in the sand?
Yeah.
You gonna live out here in a sandbox? We'll change your name to Mr. Sandbox.